king? And you never told us?
Y'all, I'm giving you bare face right now. Like, I don't have no eyebrows. I don't have no lashes. I don't got no gloss. Natural. Whoa, little sexy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and before we get started, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below because I'm about to give y'all all the gems, all the tea on how to slick down your hair, girl. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet, and click that bell notification symbol so that you're notified every time that I upload. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram because, you know, I'll be posting cute pictures, period. So definitely feel free to follow me on Instagram as well. I'll have a link in the description box. And it's just the same as my YouTube name, IncreeseMyPiece. So definitely follow me on Instagram. But anyway, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so excuse me, I know I look crazy. I'm trying to go to bed, but I've had like 3 failed hairstyles. Well, this is my 3rd hairstyle that I'm about to do right now. And like, it just needs to come out right. I'm like, look, I'm about to do the style everybody loves to hate, a low sleek bun. So I had already, because I was trying to do 2 braids, but like I just can't do 2 braids unless my hair is blown out if I'm trying to get the sleek look that I want. So look, I'm just about to put this up in a bun. And yeah, first I'm just gonna oil my scalp. Then I'm gonna take this Kinky curly knot today, and I'm just gonna use the rest because it's basically almost gone. And then I'm gonna take my S-Curl No Drip. Now some coconut oil. Now I'm gonna take my styler, same thing as always, shine and jam, get a big old glob. Look at that sleek. Look at that sleek, girl. So I'm gonna take this side out so I can gather all my hair. So now that I look crazy, I'm gonna take this Denman just to kind of get through the hair a little bit. Then another trick that I like to do is when I'm trying to gather it back, I'll take the ends and kind of pull them so that they're getting flatter. So like it's here, and I'll just pull this to get it down. Like that. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail so I can add more moisture to my hair and then bun it. I'm gonna go off camera and just get this swoop right real quick, then I'll be back. I wanted to get it a little bit flatter, so I'm gonna redo my ponytail. Now that it's nice and shiny and sleek and flat, I'm gonna try my best to keep it this way while I wrap the ponytail around. Okay, I think we're done. Whew, child. Is it flat? It's flat. It's flat, flat. Ooh, it's flat, flat. Y'all think I have motherfucking 2A here with this sleek. The fuck? Baby girl. It's flat as fuck. Yeah. Listen, I even look more polished. I mean, I look shiny, but I even look more put together now that I got this sleek going on. Like I could go somewhere. Anyway, let me do my baby hair. Some more shine and jam. Lightly swoop. You feel me? some light, not too heavy, just light. A light little bloop. I'm gonna have to do this off camera because I don't know what I'm doing. Can't see on that side. I think that I'm done. This is what it looks like. Super sleek. And I'm gonna tie it down and I'll be back in like 10 minutes. Alright y'all, so instead of 10 minutes, I laid down for like an hour, probably longer. But I'm gonna show you how it looks after you would flatten your sleek bun. Y'all ready for this? Are you? Are you? I don't know if you are. I don't know if you are. Get into it. Get into it. My baby hairs right here definitely try to play me, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But you know what I'm saying? The sleek is there. All the way there.
King? And you never told us?
Alright y'all, so that's gonna conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. I had, like I said, who is texting me? I had 2 failed hairstyles already, so thank goodness this one was a success. I'm gonna keep this in hopefully for the rest of the week. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell notification symbol so that you can get notified when I upload, so you can see how to slick your hair down first, period. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.